Friends, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to show you how to solve the problem of the IP address assigning. Very often, after you import virtual machine images to a hypervisor, such as Vmware workstation or VirtualBox, the machine cannot get its IP address successfully. So how to fix such issue? And for me, I'd like to take two ways. The first way, we can change to use a different hypervisor. For example, if you import one virtual machine into the VirtualBox, and however, this machine cannot get its IP address successfully, then you can change to use like a Vmware workstation. And in many cases, this way can work very well. Okay. However, in other cases, this way cannot work either. So how to do? For example, I've already imported this machine into the VirtualBox, and we can use the need discover to discover the IP address of the target, which stays in the same network. However, as you can see, no IP address. Of course, you should ignore these two IP addresses which belong to others. I think this should be the virtual IP address of the virtual switch. Okay. So how to do? Even I tried to import this virtual machine image into the Vmware, but this didn't work either. So how to do? And first of all, we need to power off the virtual machine. Okay, and then you need to restart the machine. And after you click start, you should immediately press the button shift on the keyboard until you see the BIOS or the menu screen display. Okay, so now we can click start. And we should press OK, and we can enlarge the window, and then you can press key E, and then you can get some grab information. You need to scroll down to this line and move the focus to here. We need to change the RO or read only to a W, and then we need to put single and init bin bash, and then we can remove anything after this bin bash. Okay, and then I think it's done. We can press key Control and X at the same time. And now the machine is restarted. Okay, we have already got root access or root shell. You can use the IP address command to display. Of course, this machine has configured two network interfaces. And for the Debian based distribution, we can get the IP address from this configuration file, network and interfaces. Okay, so I think this is the reason why we cannot discover the IP address of the target machine, because the first network interface is configured to use static. Of course, I think you can ignore the second interface because I use the host-only network to penetrate. Okay, so we need to modify, or we need to edit this configuration file. We can use nano or the vi to edit. And network interface. and go to which line? Yeah, this line. We can remove all lines because we want to have this IP address assigned dynamically or automatically. And okay, it's done. And now we can go to, okay, this line, static, need to be modified to DHCP. Okay, it means that the IP address will be retrieved by DHCP service. And then we can press key, control, and O to save. Okay, and then we can control X to exit. Then we can power off the machine and restart the machine again. Restart. And then if we go back to the Linux and we wait for the target machine restart again, and then we can use NetDiscover utility to confirm we have already successfully solved the problem. Okay. Okay, I think it's starting. Now, if we use the NetDiscover to identify the IP address of the target could be recognized successfully. So that's pretty much it in this video. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.